What are the 5 secrets to make clients obsessed with you? Hi, it's Pancho from Frontier Performance. I'm here to reveal some game-changing psychological strategies that will have your clients begging to work with you. And I really do mean reversing the whole way of doing certain things. Look, I know the struggle is out there, is real. You're putting in the work, you're making those calls, you're doing those meetings, but those clients just aren't coming on board like they should. Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to become the irresistible alpha, the boss in any sales situation. And it's a psychological game. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the 5 key psychological triggers that will make your clients see you as the prize they have to win over. Follow these tips and you'll have them hooked, line and sinker. But that's not all. I'm also offering a limited time opportunity for 5 lucky winners to score a 30-minute free sales strategy session with me online on Zoom. Stay with the session right to the end. That's right, one-on-one coaching with me, the master himself, to take your game to the next level. So pay close attention and get ready to learn how to become a total client magnet. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, failing to listen, the listening test. The biggest turnoff for clients is a salesperson who won't shut up about themselves. You got to be the guy, you got to be the person who hangs on to every word and asking thoughtful questions and making them feel heard. That's how you build rapport, really deep rapport with a client. Mistake number 2, gushing over their success. Look, I get it. When a client shares their wins, especially when you meet them first, they're telling you they're doing this, they're doing that. It's tempting to shower them with praise. But trust me, that's a one-way ticket to what I call the friendship zone. Instead, keep it cool and casual. Act like you've seen it all before. That will make them work harder to impress you. It's reverse psychology used really, really well. Mistake number 3, hiding your alpha status. The key is making clients feel lucky to be in your presence. So don't be afraid to drop some knowledge bombs and showcase your expertise. Position yourself as a prize, and they'll be begging to be chosen to work with you. Believe you me, it works. Mistake number 4, being too available. You know, I know you've got to play a little bit hard to get. Don't jump every time the phone rings. Make them wait a little bit. I know it's not what you're being taught. This is scarcity in itself. What's going to happen is they're going to crave to have your attention. Mistake number 5, settling for difficult clients. Sometimes you just got to walk away. If a client isn't meeting your standards, don't be afraid to cut them loose, move on to the next one. That kind of confidence is what separates the players from the average. All right, there you have it. The 5 secrets to becoming a total client magnet. Now it's time to put that into action. Remember, the first 5 callers are going to score that free 30-minute sales strategy session online with me. So what are you waiting for? Contact me via LinkedIn or any social media that you see this, or direct message me. And let's get started. It's time to level up your sales game. Let's do this.